Hello, my friend. Welcome to 24/7 Talk English. Let me ask you something honestly. Do you understand English but feel nervous when you try to speak? Do words stay in your mind but your mouth becomes silent? If yes, you are not weak. You are not slow. You are just afraid, and that is very normal. Today's lesson is for real-life English. Not book English, not difficult grammar, only simple daily sentences that real people use every day. This lesson will help you speak without fear, think in English slowly, build confidence step by step. Relax, breathe. You don't need to be perfect. You only need to start. Why daily sentences matter. English is not about big words. English is about daily use. When you wake up, when you talk to family, when you go outside, you use simple sentences. For example, I am ready. I am tired. I need help. These sentences are small, but they are powerful. If you learn daily sentences, your brain learns patterns. Slowly, speaking becomes natural. Morning English, starting your day. Let's begin with morning life. Every morning you can say, I wake up early. I feel sleepy. I need some water. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I get ready for the day. These sentences are not hard. Say them slowly. Say them aloud. Your mouth needs practice, not pressure. Talking about yourself. Many learners fear this part, but listen carefully. Talking about yourself is easy. You can say, I am learning English. I want to speak confidently. I am trying my best. I feel nervous sometimes. I want to improve. These sentences are honest, and honest English is strong English. You don't need fancy words, you need clear words. Daily actions English. Now think about your daily actions. You can say, I am going to work. I am going to school. I am staying at home today. I am busy right now. I am free in the evening. These sentences help you live in English. English is not a subject. English is a tool. Speaking with people. Many learners fear conversations, but conversations start with simple lines. For example, how are you? I am fine, thank you. What are you doing? Can you help me? Please wait a moment. You don't need long sentences. Short sentences are clear. Clear sentences build confidence. Expressing feelings. English is also about feelings. You can say, I am happy today. I feel sad. I am excited. I am worried. I am thankful. When you express feelings, English becomes personal, and personal English stays longer in your mind. English for problems. Life is not perfect, so English should help you in problems too. You can say, I don't understand. Please explain again. I need more time. I made a mistake. It's okay. I am learning. Mistakes are not enemies. They are teachers. Future and hope English. Let's talk about hope. You can say, I will try again. I will not give up. I will practice daily. I will speak better. I believe in myself. These sentences change your mindset, and mindset changes everything. Why repetition is good. Some learners say, I already know this sentence. That's good, but knowing is not speaking. Repeat sentences in the morning, while walking, before sleeping. Your confidence grows with repetition, not speed. Slow English is strong English. Practical motivation. Now, listen carefully. You don't need to learn all 150 sentences in one day. Learn 5 sentences. Speak them loudly. Make mistakes proudly. Every mistake means you are trying. You are brave. You are growing. Don't wait for confidence. Confidence comes after practice. Speak first. Confidence will follow. My friend, if you can understand me right now, you can speak English. Not tomorrow, not next year. You can start today. Believe in small steps. Trust your journey. If this lesson helped you, please like this video. Share it with someone who is afraid to speak, and subscribe to 24/7 Talk English for daily calm English practice. Remember our promise: slow English, simple English, confident English. This is 24/7 Talk English, where your English never sleeps.